Minasan konnichiwa. Kyo minasan ga N5 no kanji o benkyou shimasu. Kanji o benkyou shimashou. This kanji is person. Person means hito. Okay. Slide. Ichi. Ni. Ichi from center. Ni. Okay. So as you know that kanji has at least two ways of being read. That is called kunyomi, that is Japanese reading, and onyomi is Chinese reading. So what is kunyomi? When a single kanji is used alone as a word, and we often read it by its kunyomi, that is Japanese reading, and which gives it actual meaning. So here the kunyomi is giving the actual meaning of this kanji, that means hito. Okay, so what is onyomi? When two or more kanjis or when kanjis are used together to make a word, okay, we often read them by their onyomi, that is Chinese reading. So let's start how to see those. So the word from this kanji will be like nihonjin. Okay, nihonjin. So here more than one kanji is being used. So we have used here onyomi. Okay, that is nihonjin. So and the second is sanin. And sanin means if you are saying 3 people, you can say sanin. If you are saying 7 people or 5 people, you can say go-nin. Okay, so here the number of person, and then you can say the person, jin or nin. Okay, so the second kanji is women. Women, or you can say female. So the kunyomi is onna, onyomi is jo. So let's start how to write it. Ichi ni san. Okay. Ichi ni san. Okay. So the words will be kanojo. That means she. Kano. You haven't read this kanji yet, but this is there are more than one kanji, so we will use onyomi here. Jo, kanojo, or onna no hito, a woman. And the next kanji is child. Child, the kunyomi is ku, and onyomi is she. So the kanji will be write like chi, ni, then san. Okay, ichi, small, then ni, then san. So the best way of learning kanji is to learn both kunyomi and onyomi. If you have learned this kunyomi and onyomi, so it will be easier to learn you the meanings, okay, and how to write kanji of a word. So the word is ko. Kodomo means a child. Kodomo means a child. Then onnanoko. Onnanoko is a girl child. Okay. So the next kanji is live or birth. So kunyomi is ikimaru, umaru. Actually the kunyomi is e. Okay, and kunyomi is e or u. But you have to write like I will teach you. And the onyomi is say. Okay, so kunyomi is so the kanji is like ichi, ni, okay, san, yon, go. Okay, I will write once again. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go. So the word is to leave is ikimaru. Okay, I can say ikiru. Ikiru. Okay, e is kanji, ikiru is to leave, sensei is a teacher, sensei. There are more than 2 kanji, so we will write the onyomi, sensei, say. Okay, and gakse. Gakse is a student. So next kanji is of mouth. Mouth kanji is very simple actually. Kuchi or kuchi is the kunyomi, or ko is the onyomi. So let's write the kanji. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Okay? Ichi, ni, san, yon. So the words are kuchi is the mouth, jinko is the population. Jin is people that have learned this kanji before. Right now, just jin. Jinko is population. Okay. Or iriguchi. Iriguchi means entrance, and teguchi is an exit. Myself or private. Myself is watashi. Watashi or watakushi. And the onyomi is she. Okay. So let's write how to write kanji. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, na. Okay, once again I'm writing this kanji. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, na. Okay, so words will be watashi, watakushi means I. Watashi or watakushi is I. And then there are more than one kanji, so we have to remember that if there are more than two kanji or if there are more than one kanji, you have to remember the onyomi. You are supposed to write onyomi there in that case. Okay, so vata, that is kanji of watashi, but here are more than one kanji, so you will write shi ritsu daigaku. Shiritsu Daigaku means a private university. Okay. Next kanji is body. So kunyomi is karada. Onyomi is tai. So let's make kanji. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Okay. Once again I'm writing ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Okay. So the words are tai ryoku is physical strength and tai iku is physical education. Here again we are using onyomi. There are more than two kanjis, so tai will be used. Next kanji is power or ability. So kunyomi is chikara and onyomi is ryoku or riki. So kanji is like ichi, ni. Ichi, ni. Okay. So the words are chikara, that means power. Riki gaku means dynamics. And then shitsu ryoku is one's real ability. Okay. So the next kanji is male. Okay. So let's make kunyomi is otoko and onyomi is dan or nan. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Okay. So the words are otoko is a man, and then dangakusei. Dangakusei is a boy student. Then otoko no ko is a boy or a child. Okay. So the next kanji is I. I means me or onyomi is moku. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Okay. Once again I'm writing ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Okay. So the words will be like mokuji, a table of contents, and then meiwei is a superior, one's superior you can say. Okay. So next kanji is ear. So the kunyomi is mimi or onyomi is ji. So let's write the kanji. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku. Okay. So the word is jibika. So you haven't read this kanji, but you have learned this, so you can learn this word also. Jibika is the study of nose and ears, or you can say an authorinology. Okay. The next kanji is hand. Hand means te, or onyomi is ju. Ichi ni san, then little bit slide. Yeah. Ichi ni san yon. Okay, this is being slide. Then the words will be Jozuna is skillful, or you can say Jozuna hito. Okay, Jozuna hito is a skillful person. Okay, and then for letter you can say Tegami. Tegami is a letter. Or hita na hito is unskillful person. We usually don't say that, so but for vocabulary you can use you can say hita. Study means manabu, or onyomi is kaku. Okay, so study is, let's see how to write this kanji. So ichi ni san yon, then inside go, roku nana hachi. Okay, ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. So the words will be gakse. You have learned this kanji. So gakse, gakse means a students. Then gakko, that means a school. And daikaku is a university. The next kanji is gold or money. So the kunyomi is kani and onyomi is kin. So let's see how to write this kanji. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. Okay, ichi ni san yon go roku nana hachi. Okay, so the meaning of this kanji will be money, that is okane, and if there is gold you can say kin. Okay, this is also the kanji of kin, but the onion it will be written as it will be called as kin. Okay, so next kanji is mizu. Ichi ni san yon. Okay, ichi small, ni then stroke, san yon. Okay, so kunyomi is mizu and onyomi is sui. Mizu is water, and sui then is actually the kanji of a field. Okay, sui is water. Water field will car means kunyomi is kuruma and onyomi is sha. So car is, so the kanji will be like ichi ni san yon go roku then nana. Okay, ichi ni san yon go roku nana. Okay, so the words will be like kuruma means car, then jidosha is an automobile car. Okay, and then sha is a train. Okay, then sha. Next is rice field. You can write like ichi ni san yon go. Okay, ichi ni san yon go. So the kunyomi is ta or da, or onyomi is then. So the words will be like tamba is rice field, and Tanaka-san, we usually say Tanaka-san because Tanaka is the Japanese surname, so you will say Tanaka-san. Next is river. So the kunyomi is kawa and gawa, but we use gawa with the name of a river. Okay, if you want to say Ganga river, so you will say Ganga gawa. Okay, and the onyomi is sen. Okay, let's see how to write this kanji. Ich ni san. Okay, ich ni san. So the verse will be like Kawa river or Nairu Kawa. Nairu Kawa is the Nile river. Okay, is age or year. So kunyomi is toshi and onyomi is need. So let's write the kanji. Ichi ni san yon go roku. Okay, ichi ni san yon go roku. So words is toshi is a year or toshi ue is an elder. Okay, if somebody is elder than you can say the person toshi ue. Okay, and next kanji is what. So kunyomi is, that means the meaning of this kanji will be nan or nani. So let's write the kanji. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana. Okay, ichi ni san yon go roku nana. A little stroke. So the words will be nan desu ka. Nan for if you are saying nan desu ka, for instead of writing in hiragana you can write in kanji, but that means what is this, or if you are asking that how many people there are, you can say nan nin desu ka, nan nin desu ka. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like, so do like, subscribe my channel, and I'll come up with more kanji of N5, N4 and so on. So arigatou gozaimasu.